This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Veronica Hempel less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01233025. Winning combinations of play and stay. Cute home with huge yards and plentiful parking. Across from the Crystal Falls Park, basketball and tennis courts and within steps of the stables. Have fun easy here. Efficient open floor plan. The kitchen is electric and opens to the dining area and backyard. 2 bedroom, 1 bath. 2-car garage. The garage currently has a wall attached to the drive side wall. It can be removed to make the garage park-able again. Great fence, large backyard with huge trees for shade and accessible from the side gate. Under the house storage. The 2 parcels accommodate a lot of parking, gardening, and/or distancing space. Small shed at side of backyard. Affordable home within walking distance to all the activities the association has to offer. Vacation, rental or full-time. Take a look and consider. For more information, review the details below or contact Veronica Hempel less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01233025 at 209-532-7400.